Hello everyone, my name is Anton Saburov. I'm a marketer. In my YouTube channel, I'm sharing information about automation, AI, marketing and something else. In this video, I want to share with you Anthropic console. When you're making prompt engineering, it's really useful for everyone. For example, if you want to working more efficiency with AI, with the cloud, I hope this video is give for you more information. Okay, let's go. We have two ways to work with cloud. There is the official website cloud.ai and the Anthropic developer console. I honestly prefer the console because it's more efficient and optimized token usage, which means less cost and better results. I will show you how to work with the console for tasks that you might need to automate using mate.com. One task could be managing Instagram messages. This topic came up in the community recently. Someone asked how to do it, and the answer to use Meta API with HTTP request to automate activities with Cloud. I will show you some techniques. Before we start, I highly recommend checking out the prompts library by Anthropic. It's very good with many useful examples. Two examples I like and for interview and career consultation. For example, for interview, you provide some background information about the interviewee and get relevant questions generated. The results are impressive. Similarly, for career consultants, LinkedIn AI is good, but Cloud gives more detailed feedback. Now, let's do something similar with managing Instagram Messenger using AI. Here, we need to write a prompt. I will describe it if I own a lead generation agency and receive messages on Instagram. I will write the prompts explaining our services and how to respond to potential clients. Here is a prompt. We are a lead generation agency offering services at $80 per hour. Describe tasks for a recent response to potential clients who message us on Instagram. Then we click to generate the prompts. The service isn't free. It uses tokens from Opus. New users get $5 worth of tokens to start. The generated prompts is detailed, outlining things like being professional, using open questions, and keeping responses between 50 and 150 words. For example, if a client asks for information, the prompt including this is a variable. You can then run the prompts to test the response, which will simulate the interaction with the client. The response breaks down into different parts, asking the clients questions about their needs and budget, and suggesting a 50-20 minutes call. This is very useful because it allows for efficient communication. You can then take this response, use it as a variable in your system, and automate the process using make.com. Now let's try another example, like creating a summary of a document. We generate a prompt to summarize the documents, highlighting key points in simple language. I will use a recent news article from ChatGPT as the input. The prompt, reading the content, focus it, and import information and summarize it clearly. This method is useful for automating news summaries for social media. You can set up a process to get news from RSS feed, process it with the prompts, and then post the summarize on your social media. This makes this process automatic and efficient. Using prompt engineering, we can proceed and use the information to our work. This is very powerful for automation tasks and improving efficiency. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to start improving and automating your business using neural network and modern technologies. Thanks for the watching. I hope this video is useful for you. Please write in comments your feedback. thumb ups and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.